See, the winter is past. The rains are over and gone.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Ni hao and huanying. Cześć i witamy. Hallo und willkommen. Ciao e benvenuti. The Bishop's Palace in Wells, Somerset, the smallest city in England, is a remarkably well-preserved medieval palace and the official residence of the Bishop of Bath and Wells. It's been home to the bishops for over 800 years and stands as a Grade 1 listed building of significant architectural and historical importance. With its combination of historic architecture, tranquil gardens and unique traditions, it is a must-see destination in the heart of Wells. Building began around 1210 under Bishop Jocelyn of Wells and Reginald Fitz-Jocelyn. The chapel and Great Hall were later added by Bishop Robert Burnell between 1275 and 1292. In the 14th century, Bishop Ralph of Shrewsbury added the walls, gatehouse and moat, transforming the palace into a fortified residence. The palace is a stunning example of medieval architecture complemented by beautiful gardens. Key features include the ruined Great Hall, the medieval palace rooms and the bishop's private chapel that was built in the late 13th century. The chapel is noted for its large windows and an early English-style tracery. Visitors enter through a gatehouse with a drawbridge over a breathtaking moat. The palace is also famous for its resident mute swans, which ring a bell by the gatehouse when they want to be fed. The palace is set within 14 acres of Royal Horticultural Society partner gardens, which include the well pools from which the city of Wells takes its name.
The rains are over and gone. Flowers appear on the earth. The season of singing has come. Planted up my garden to let nature drift within, and slowly it will blossom as if a painter's brush begins. Soft strokes of color spreading where once the earth lay bare. Now every corner whispers life, and beauty fills the air. Daffodils and tulips that dance within the sun, and little pansies smiling as if each one's begun to greet the world with gladness, their tiny faces bright like children full of laughter in the warmth of morning light. There's roses and upon the breeze their sweet perfume drifts far, and bluebells blue as summer skies like falling stars they are. And when they bloom in fullness, the garden comes alive, a quiet, gentle miracle where hope and color thrive. The bumblebees go buzzing in and out the flowers, busy with their purpose through the golden sunlit hours. And high within the buddleia, in purple soft and white, the butterflies go dancing in the drifting breeze so light. blackbird wakes me early. Its music fills the morning air, so pure, so rich, so stirring. The blue tits now are nesting in their little boxes near, while blackbirds find the worms I've stirred as I work the soil each year. This time of year feels clean and new, spring rain, fresh and clear, and rainbows stretched across the sky bring quiet joy and cheer. It is the time when life returns to trees and field and wing, when every living creature feels the gentle touch of spring. So as the breeze sweeps softly through and blows the webs away, and winter fades behind us now, like night gives way to day, we lift our eyes with thankful hearts to all that God has done, and walk into a world reborn of color, light and song. A beautiful gift from God.
The moat's construction was highly practical. Local streams were diverted to create it, and to this day the waters from the well flow down the main high street. It functioned as a reservoir with water levels controlled by sluice gates, and this water power was even used to run water mills in the town of Wells. The moat is about 8 feet deep and is home to the famous swans, as well as ducks and smaller fish. The Bishop's Palace has seen a dramatic increase in visitors over the years. Today it welcomes over 500,000 annually, a significant jump from the fewer than 25,000 it attracted in 2004.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications of new content.